Hey guys, we are iGeeksBlog and we are taking you to grand opening of Apple Store in Mumbai. And as you can see, the energy over here was accelerating, and with that, the countdown starts. 3, 2, 1. And here we go, Mr. Tim Cook himself inviting India to the first store of Apple. So let's start the journey. This entire store has a dedicated solar array and has zero reliance on fossil fuels for store operations. The beautiful ceiling that you see over here is made up of 450,000 individual timber elements, all of which were assembled in Delhi itself. And in fact, this store of Mumbai is hurricane, flood and earthquake resistant as well. And when we talk about the stairway to heaven, that was directly imported from Europe in a single piece. And as you can see, all the products of Apple would be available here, whether it is iPhone or iMac or MacBooks. Everything is over here just for you in each and every color available for your touch and your feel and the experience. And not only that, you'll get all the covers that you require, all the bands that you require. You just need to select the best one for yourself. And then if you feel tired, then you can have a relaxing time at Apple Arcade or Apple Music. But for us, cherry on the cake was meeting our subscribers in person as well. So thanks Apple for that also. So that was our entire experience at the Apple Store, where there were more than 100 employees at your disposal, having interactive sessions, dancing sessions, and anything and everything they can help you with, they would help you with that. So basically we will be taking two souvenirs from the store. One was meeting this gentleman who had original 1984 Macintosh with him, signed by Tim Cook himself. And another was this Apple Watch strap, which we bought from the store just to check out the seamless purchasing experience. And that way, on the click of few buttons, the product was ours, and that was our overall experience with the Apple Store. I hope you enjoyed the journey along with us. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and God bless.